Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
So today I'm going to make a reindeer out of a pipe cleaner, and you can see I've got my glue gun heating up. I'm working on a glass surface so I don't have to worry about the glue drips. So I am folding my chenille stem in half, and this is a dark brown one. It's a rather thick chenille stem. And then I'm going to come up to one of the ends and I'm just going to start curling that over itself. So I'm just going to make a spiral. And I'm going to come down about halfway, somewhere about like that. And then I'm going to take the other one and do the same thing. The other side. There, okay, so those are roughly equal. I'm going to unwind this one a little bit. There we go. And then I am going to put a nose on him, and I am going to try out different size eyeballs. I think that's way too much. Let's go next size down. That one's kind of cool, but I think I'm going to pass on that. That one's pretty cool. And then we'll try, I have one more size to try, see which ones I want to do. And that one actually might not be bad. Let's try a different size pom-pom. I think that pom-pom's a little better, and maybe the next size up eyes. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So we're going to try that out. So I am going to carefully work with my glue gun, so I don't want to touch the that metal tip because I might burn myself. And you could use regular crafting glue, kind of a thick glue. I just don't want to take the time to let it set up, so if I had a bit more patience today I would do that, but either one you want to do. And maybe if you're working with kids, you probably would want to use the regular craft glue. One advantage is you don't get those strings here that I'm getting from my glue gun, but and I'm just going to glue those on there. It's as simple as that. And I have a little moose. I would hang it from the antlers here and let me pull it up off my glass surface. It's a nice thing about working with a glass surface. I want to pull it up before it gets too stuck. There we go. With the glue. So I am going to let that glue dry. I'm actually going to set him upside down so that he's not sticking to my glass board so much. So I'm going to set him upside down to cure a little bit with that glue. Let me compare these two. This one I did with a hot glue gun. Not really happy with that because I kind of gunked it up with the glue. If you were super careful, that might work out for you. It's kind of nice on the nose, but it kind of gunked out. So on this one, I made it with just some liquid craft bond glue, and that seemed to work out much better for me. So now our little guy just needs a hanger, and I am going to take some gold cord, and I am going to wrap it around the back side of him. Just like that, and tie it off where I want the loop. I'm going to make it not quite so long. So I just tie a knot. I'm going to clip off my end here. tie a knot where I want it. This cord has a little bit of wire in it, which is actually kind of nice. But just that little gold cording, and he'll hang from that and just fine. And I'm going to trim off my knot a little bit, make it a little prettier. But and then he has a little hanger. And there he is.